Dynamic markings in music indicate the relative loudness or softness of a piece of music. They are used by composers and conductors to indicate how a piece should be played in terms of volume. Understanding these markings is essential for any musician to properly interpret and perform a piece of music. Welcome to our lesson on dynamic markings in music. First, let's talk about the most common dynamic markings. P for piano, meaning soft. MP for mezzo piano, meaning medium soft. MF for mezzo forte, meaning medium loud. F for forte, meaning loud. FF for fortissimo, meaning very loud. It's important to note that these markings are relative, meaning they indicate the level of loudness or softness in relation to the surrounding music. For example, if a piece starts off with a P marking, that section would be considered soft in relation to the rest of the piece. In addition to these common markings, there are also other dynamic markings that indicate specific changes in loudness. These include crescendo, meaning gradually getting louder. Diminuendo, meaning gradually getting softer. Sforzando, meaning suddenly loud. SFZ, similar to sforzando. It's also important to note that dynamic markings can be indicated through the use of hairpins, which look like two diagonal lines facing towards each other. A hairpin that starts wide and gets narrow indicates a crescendo, while a hairpin that starts narrow and gets wide indicates a diminuendo. In conclusion, dynamic markings are essential to interpreting and performing a piece of music. They indicate the relative loudness or softness of a piece and can be used to indicate specific changes in loudness. It's important to understand these markings and how they relate to the surrounding music in order to properly perform a piece. Thank you for watching our video lesson. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next one.